I knew this time that she had left for good. I knew that I was all alone. I had to become both parents when I felt like less than one. I was solo. But what I didn't know is 1 in 3 U.S. homes are single-parented homes. That's millions of people feeling just like me, alone, overwhelmed, exhausted, and abandoned. Somehow this society has reduced these fractured families to just a new normal. But it is anything but normal. And it's far from just another status. It's a condition that the church has largely ignored or forgotten. A condition that millions of single-parent homes have to deal with alone. Going solo to me feels like being abandoned in a foreign country. New customs, unfamiliar territory, feeling insecure and afraid. I thought, wouldn't it be helpful if someone that had been in this place before had left an instruction manual for me to get through it? You know, like when you travel to a foreign country, you look for a guidebook from someone that's been there before. For 8 years of my solo parent journey, I wrote down my story. Every helpful tip I discovered, every practical healing principle, my hope was that someday somebody behind me might have a guidebook to navigate this completely foreign place. So today, going solo is your guidebook for this very unfamiliar road, because I've been there. So many solo parents don't attend church because they feel judged or that they don't fit in. That's why I started Solo Parent Society, an empowering organization to help single parents thrive with podcasts, an online community, and resources to create life groups in your neighborhoods. If you're not a solo parent, I guarantee you know one. Someone who often remains invisible because we solo parents don't like to acknowledge or show how weak we actually feel. Don't wait for them to reach out to you. Reach out to them. Give them this book and tell them about the society of other single parents that are experiencing the same things that they are. Let them know that they're not alone. God doesn't promise to pull us out of tough times, but He does promise to walk with us through them. God knows the frustration and the pain of single parenting. And in this broken season, in this solo season, God can do something beautiful. I promise you can get through this. Life on the other side can be richer. Relationships can be authentic. But only if you choose to define this season instead of the season defining you, then you can actually thrive. Oh, and me and my 3 girls, we made it through. We're still learning and growing. But when we called on God, He started writing our new story. He's writing yours too, right now. So join us in this solo season.